This house has become sick because it was not cleaned for many years. The woman came back to her house after 5 years, but when she opened the gate, her hand got burnt. The woman went inside quickly and saw that the temperature of the house is 105 degrees. She tried to reduce it, but the temperature increased from 105 to 107. Please subscribe to my channel. Then the woman got an idea and removed the swingum from the mouth and stuck it to the regulator. The woman was spraying freshener spray to remove the stench of the house. Suddenly the house sneezed, which caused the woman to fall outside the house, and all her balloons burst from the nails of the house. Then a book came out of the house. The woman saw that when she was new, she was very happy, but the house is very sad now. After that, the woman got an idea and started cleaning the house. This made the house completely happy. The woman cleaned every part of the house, which was full of dirt. The next moment, the temperature of the house dropped. After that, the woman stuck a sword board on the board of the Forsyth and took all her belongings inside the house. Please do a like for this woman.